Introducing the 2023 Ford Puma ST-Line X with only 16,000 miles. This sleek SUV in white boasts a 1-litre petrol hybrid engine and manual transmission. Loaded with features like ambient lighting, cruise control, satellite navigation, lane departure warning, and more, this vehicle offers comfort, safety, and style. With ABS, multiple airbags, and collision avoidance braking, you can drive with peace of mind. Plus, enjoy added benefits like privacy glass and a spoiler. Rest assured, with a full multi-point health and safety check, comprehensive warranty, and manufacturer-specified servicing. Don't miss out. Call us or visit hillsford.co.uk for more details on this fantastic deal.